How to change name on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change your name on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, whether you'd like to change your full display name or whether you would like to change the username, the process is typically the same, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all just launch the Instagram application. Make sure that you're logged into the account that you'd like to edit. Tap the profile icon located at the bottom right hand side of the screen here. As you do that, you'll find the edit profile option right under your profile picture, so make sure to tap the edit profile option. Now all you have to do is, here you can see two options. One is the name, the other is the username. Your name is usually something that is like your original name, so you don't enter a nickname here but you enter an original name. So depending upon what you want to do, you can go ahead and change that, and be careful as to not making any type of typo mistakes or spelling mistakes, because you can only change a name twice within 14 days. Once you do this, you can tap the done option. Now if it is about username, which is a unique name that people can use to search you on Instagram, you can also make sure that this is also properly corrected. Make sure that there aren't any unnecessary underscores or any punctuation or letters or symbols, because again you will not be able to change it for another 14 days, which means you can only change once in 14 days, which is your username. So bottom line is that if you're trying to change the name, you can change it twice in 14 days. If you're trying to change a username, you can change it only once in 14 days. So make sure you're careful of that. Tap the done option and you should be good to go. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.